white-haired gardener here. Today we're going to talk about powdery mildew. Now, powdery mildew is a fungal disease that affects the leaves of plants. It occurs mostly late summer with humid and warm conditions, of which we've had both. Now, powdery mildew will cause your plants undue stress, cover the leaves, prevent photosynthesis, causing your plant to possibly die if it gets bad enough. Now, you have here, I've cut off a leaf that has just a little bit of powdery mildew on it. If you only have a small infection like this, you can probably just cut the leaves off, dispose of them, don't put them in your compost bin. And then here is one that has had a lot of powdery mildew on it. See how it totally covers the leaves? This plant, you can also see the leaf is really under stress. It's turning yellow, shriveling up, and if your entire plant gets this, then it's going to die. Now, most naturalist gardeners use a threefold approach. 1, cut off the leaves. 2, use a light mixture of baking soda and water, usually a tablespoon of baking soda to a gallon of water. Or 3, use a mixture of milk, with or without baking soda, a couple tablespoons of milk, gallon of water, and then spray it on the leaves again. I've got some milk right here and water, which I'm going to do in a second, but understand that powdery mildew is in the air. You're not going to be able to eradicate it completely because you can't take the plants out of the air. The best you can do is keep it at bay. Maintain this, keep your plants from suffering stress from the powdery mildew so that you'll get a nice production at the end of the year. And then after all this is done, take your plant, bag it up, throw it away, or burn it. Do not put it in your compost bin unless you like powdery mildew and you want to have it the following year. Now, I'm going to go ahead and spray this. Whoa, little stronger than I like, but I don't think it's going to hurt the plants. And you really soak the leaves. Soak them, top and bottom. You can see this poor baby right here. Younger leaves are generally most affected, but you basically cover your entire plant with this solution. Maintain it, do this every couple of days, and you should be able to keep it at bay and have still a good production at the end of the year. Now, that's pretty well my best tips for this. I like to use the milk solution best. It seems to stick on the leaves a little bit better. Other than that, if you have any questions or you like this video, like, share, and subscribe and help a sister out. And you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day.